I'm putting together the ingredients to make corn pudding. This is a recipe that I've been making for years and years and years, and it's from my mom. She used to make it, and I stick with her recipe. I don't change it up very much, just because when I change it up, family and friends always know that, hey, you did something different. I did make one little change to this, though, I'll have to admit. And the reason for that being that the recipe calls for 2 cans of corn, sweet corn, and 2 cans of cream corn. I did not get any cream corn. I forgot about it, so I'm sort of improvising. So I took the regular sweet corn and I processed it a little bit to make it more like a creamy corn, and we'll see how it works. In theory, it should work, but we'll see. This recipe also calls for a cube of butter, which I've melted in the pan, 4 eggs, a cup of crackers, saltine crackers, a half a cup of sugar, a cup of milk, and I'm using, once again, evaporated milk. You can use whole milk, that will work. And I'm going to be also grinding this, processing this second can of corn, so that will be my equivalent of 2 cans of cream corn and 2 cans of regular corn. We also have salt and pepper to taste. The eggs beaten. I'm going to add the milk. And we'll mix that up. I'm going to add the sugar. Mix that up good. Then I'm going to add the crackers. And then I'm going to add the corn. That's 2 cans of the sweet corn. And that's 2 cans of my sweet corn that I've partially processed to make like a cream corn. There are recipes for making cream corn where they take like a bechamel type sauce and mix it with corn and all that. I just thought maybe I'd do a little bit different so I wouldn't have to do the bechamel, and just see how this would work. We'll find out. Now that I've got all of my ingredients combined, I'll mix them up, and then we're going to put it in our half pan, and we'll cook it 350 degrees until the inside has set and the top is nice brownish. This can be made ahead. Combine all the ingredients, put them in the saucepan, refrigerate. Then the next day, just take it out and bake. I also added my salt and pepper, and that's probably about maybe a little bit less than a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. And that's to taste. There we have our corn pudding in the half pan, ready to be baked. Corn pudding is done.